Okay, today we're going to run through the custom sizes on the business card cutter. So at the moment this machine is the 85 size cartridge, so it will always cut 85 going this way on a shorter edge, okay? Because you've got rotary blades here, and they're spaced out by 85. You've got 95, and then you've also got an 80 cartridge that you can change. It's quite simple to change if you need those different sizes as well. So what we're going to do the 85, we're going to do custom sizes. So when you scroll through your menus here, you've got your standard sizes, which is the 85 by 45, 50, 45, sorry, 54, 90, 95, 127, okay? And then you've got the star, is your custom sizes. So to change that size, all we need to do is press down on the perimeters, and then it will say, where do you want your first cut from? Okay, so your first cut is going to be from the edge of the sheet down to here, so that'll be 10 mil. We're going to have 10 mil. Once you're happy with that, so you might want to, if you're saying you've got 100 mil card that you want to cut by 85 on this example, so 100, 100, 100, you might need to move the sheet slightly down, so you might need to adjust that front lens side to accommodate an extra cut in there. So depending on how many what your size of your card and how many you can fit on a sheet, then you might need to accommodate that front edge where you're going to cut from. So if you divide everything up and then from your front end, get the right measurements, so then you know where your first cut's going to be. And then once you've kind of got that one from your front end, then we go over to the card length. So you can go all the way down to anything between 40 mil and 250 mil, so you can adjust it just scroll whichever size that you want. So today we'll just do 100 mil. So once you've got it, you can press your perimeters again, and that with the gutter length. And then what we do is how many rows. So basically these are your rows. So once you've got your card, so this is like an 85 by 55 or 54. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be 7 rows. So probably in 100, we're going to fit probably about 3 in. You might be able to get 1 more in if you just adjust the gutter. But what we do is we do 3 just to give you an idea of it. Okay. So we do, perfect. Right, and then we go back to our main menu, and so we've got our sizes. We can pop our card in, like so, and then we can press start. Okay, and then you can see we've got our 100 mil by 85. Cool, and that is pretty much how to set up. Obviously with your template, when you actually design your template, just make sure you've got the right, from the top of the edge to your first cut, and then they're all equaled out when you do your custom size template. Cool, easy as that.